They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, but when someone likes you, their eyes don't just look, they speak. They reveal secrets, desires, and emotions that words often fail to express. As a psychology expert who studied nonverbal attraction for years, I can tell you this. Eye contact is one of the most powerful indicators of hidden feelings, especially romantic ones. In this video, I'll reveal 10 subtle but powerful ways eye contact can expose someone's true feelings for you. Some signs are sweet, others are intense, and a few might just shock you. So open your eyes and your mind, because what you're about to discover could change how you see people forever. 1. The double take. You catch their eye, they quickly look away, but then, just a second later, they look again. That's the double take, and it's not just coincidence. Psychologically, this moment reveals a silent tug of war happening inside them. The first glance is automatic, a spark of interest. The second? That's when desire overrides hesitation. It means they had to look again, even if they didn't want to be obvious. It's their mind saying, be cool, but their eyes saying, look at them again. This quick flicker of attraction is one of the purest, most instinctive signs someone is drawn to you. And sometimes it's gone in the blink of an eye. But if you catch it, you've just seen a secret slip out. 2. The dilated pupils. You might not notice it right away, but their pupils, those tiny black circles at the center of the eyes, begin to widen when they look at you. It's not just lighting, it's not just coincidence, it's attraction. Psychologically, pupil dilation is an involuntary response triggered by emotional arousal. When someone is excited, intrigued, or drawn to another person, the brain sends signals that literally open their eyes wider to take in more of what they desire. What makes this sign so powerful is that it can't be faked. They have no control over it. Their body reacts before their mind even catches up. So the next time someone looks at you and their eyes seem darker, deeper, almost glowing, don't ignore it. You're seeing a raw, honest reaction, and that reaction is you. 3. The lingering stare. Most people look away after 2 to 3 seconds, but when someone likes you, they don't. They hold the gaze, just a little longer than what's considered normal. That lingering stare is a moment suspended in time. It's silent, but it speaks volumes. It says, I see you, and I don't want to stop looking. From a psychological standpoint, prolonged eye contact triggers emotional intimacy. It activates the same brain regions as physical touch or romantic bonding. But here's the twist. The longer the stare, the deeper the connection they feel. It's not always about confidence. Sometimes it's a magnetic pull they can't resist. So if their eyes stay locked on you, while everything else blurs around them, don't look away too fast. You may be witnessing the beginning of something real. The shy flicker. They look at you, smile softly, and then almost instantly, their gaze drops. It's quick, it's subtle, but it speaks louder than words. This is the shy flicker, a classic sign of attraction mixed with nervousness. Their eyes want to connect, but their emotions are afraid of being too exposed. Psychologically, this behavior reflects a deep internal conflict, the desire to be seen and the fear of being discovered. It often shows up when someone is emotionally vulnerable or not quite ready to admit how they feel. It's especially common when someone's crush is still a secret, when just the act of looking feels risky. So if they keep stealing glances and then quickly looking away when your eyes meet, don't misread it as disinterest. It may be the most innocent and honest sign that they care more than they're ready to say. 5. The mirror gaze. You look at them, they look at you. You blink, they blink. You tilt your head, they do the same. It's almost like they're reflecting you without even realizing it. This is the mirror gaze, a subconscious act of mimicry that happens when two people feel emotionally in sync. From a psychological standpoint, this kind of mirroring is rooted in empathy and connection. When someone likes you, their brain unconsciously aligns with yours. Their eyes begin to echo your movements, creating a subtle dance of emotional bonding. It's not rehearsed, it's not strategic, it's instinctive. And the more someone mirrors your gaze patterns, the more emotionally invested they tend to be. So if you notice that they're following your eye behavior, matching your look, your blink, your pause, that's not just attention, that's emotional resonance. 6. The eye smile, Duchenne smile. You've seen fake smiles before, polite, forced, all lips and no warmth. But when someone truly likes you, their smile reaches their eyes. The corners crinkle, their eyes light up, and suddenly it feels like they're smiling with their whole soul. This is called a Duchenne smile, the gold standard of genuine emotion in psychology. Unlike a practiced grin, this smile activates muscles around the eyes that only respond to real joy, connection, and affection. It's a smile that can't be faked, not convincingly. So when someone looks at you and their eyes start smiling before their lips do, that's not just attraction, that's emotional truth. And the best part? They may not even realize they're doing it, but their eyes, they're telling you everything. 7. The across the room. Look, you're in a crowded room, music, laughter, conversation, but somehow you feel someone's eyes on you. And when you turn, there they are, watching from a distance. That lingering glance from across the room isn't random. It's intentional and powerful. Psychologically, our attention is naturally drawn to what or who we desire. Even in chaos, the brain filters out distractions and locks onto the person it's emotionally fixated on. If they keep finding you with their eyes, even when you're not looking, even when you're not close, it means you're on their mind more than they'd ever admit. And when their gaze quickly shifts the moment you catch them, that's not guilt, that's vulnerability. Because in that moment, you saw the truth they were quietly holding in. 8. The look and smile combo. You catch their eyes, and just as you lock gazes, they smile. Not a random smile, but a perfectly timed one that matches the moment. This synchronization is more than coincidence. It's a powerful subconscious signal that they're emotionally tuned into you. Psychologically, this look and smile combo shows mutual awareness and a spark of connection. Their smile isn't just about being polite, it's a way of saying, I see you and I like what I see. It creates a shared, silent conversation, a moment of intimacy without words. When you experience this, it's like your eyes are exchanging a secret message only the two of you understand. 9. The holding gaze. During silence. Imagine a quiet moment, no words spoken, just two people sitting together, eyes locked in a steady, unbroken gaze. This kind of silent eye contact is rare and deeply meaningful. Psychologically, holding someone's gaze during silence creates a powerful emotional intimacy. It's as if you're communicating without language, connecting on a level beyond words. When someone does this with you, it means they feel safe, drawn, and completely absorbed in your presence. It's not casual. It's a deliberate choice to be emotionally vulnerable and connected. So if you ever find yourself in this intense moment of silence, with eyes locked, know that it's a silent confession of affection, trust, and sometimes love. 10. The eyes-only confession. Sometimes words fail, but the eyes never lie. There are moments when someone looks at you and their eyes say everything their lips won't. Longing, hope, sadness, love, all communicated silently, intensely. This eyes-only confession is the purest form of emotional expression. It's unfiltered, raw, and impossible to ignore. Psychologists recognize this as a deep nonverbal cue. When emotions are too complex or vulnerable for speech, the eyes become the messenger. So if you ever catch someone giving you that look, the one that speaks without words, cherish it. Because in that glance lies a whole story of feelings waiting to be understood. Now that you know these 10 subtle yet powerful eye contact signs, the next time someone looks at you, you'll see beyond the surface. Because often it's not just a glance, it's a message, a feeling, a secret waiting to be revealed. If this video opened your eyes to the hidden language of attraction, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep psychology insights about love and human behavior. And remember, sometimes the eyes tell the story that words can't.